So Nearpod has added another way for you to grab data from your students, and I think this one has a lot of value to it. So I'm going to go ahead and show it to you right now. This is a simple Nearpod presentation that I pulled from their library. So make sure you check out their library and filter it down to the subject you teach and see if there's something you could grab and modify and use in class real soon. So this is a student-paced lesson. I'm going to go ahead and flip. So here's a slide introducing and talking about the moon. And we flip the page again. And now we have a video that's loaded. We're going to click play. And check this out. See what happens here in the first 10 seconds.
I was wondering if you could ask a video about why the moon orbits the Earth instead of the sun.
All right, so now we can add questions inside of a Nearpod video. So that could be a YouTube video. It could be one from their library that's already created. So let's hop back over to the teacher portal and let's set one of these up. Now that you're inside of your presentation, let's click Add Slide. And then we're going to click Video. This will be a new layout for you. So in the top, we see Video Library. So these are the completed videos that Nearpod has already included that have assessment questions embedded in them already. You're probably heading over to YouTube, or even better, you could upload one of your mini lessons here for students to work through. So let's head over to YouTube and search for videos here. So this is a presentation about the moon. Let's grab this one. We can preview it right here without going to YouTube. Let's hit save. And now we have this entire timeline. Let's say when we get here to 14 seconds that we need to ask a question, we have two options to do open-ended. We type our question there, hit save. So now when the students get here, they will get a prompt with your question. If we need to change something, we still have the edit button, so that's not permanent. Let's move on a little bit further.
Crust containing.
And let's add an activity right here. This time let's choose multiple choice. We'll type our question. And you'll notice as we hover over each one, we can designate which one is the correct answer. And we can also reorder these as we put them in. If we make a mistake, we can just hit the trash can. Let's hit save right now. And save again in the bottom right hand corner. So now our video is here at the very bottom. We can drag it anywhere in the slide deck that we want. I'm going to go ahead and put it up front. Hit save and exit. Let's launch another student-paced lesson so we can see what the students see. This works in both student-paced and the live lesson. So we hit play on the video. We can already see our questions down here in the bottom with the blue dots. So let's see what happens when we get to 14 seconds. There we go. Now we've built an assessment into a video.